Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to set date and time on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then let's scroll down and find additional settings, and here let's choose date and time. And as you can see now we've got some options to customize. For example, we can choose clock format. If you want to use 24-hour format, let's leave it like this. If you want to use 12-hour format, simply click on the switcher to turn off this format. Now we are using network provided time, but if you want to set it manually, simply click on the switcher to turn it off. And as you can see, now we can click on set time and pick something quite randomly, let's say. Okay, here you've got the home screen world clock or dual clock, but I don't want to set it. So let me get back. And as you can see, we've just changed the hour and the date. If you want to get back to network provided time, simply let's get back to the settings, additional settings, date and time, and click on use network provided time. And as you can see, here we got back to normal hour, and let me pick also 24-hour format. So that's all. This is how you set date and time in your REALME C15. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.